Welcome to Bridge Fundamentals. This 9-part series describes the desired etiquette, ethics, and the basic mechanics essential to playing bridge in a competitive situation. It supplements any lessons, clinics, or workshops you may have completed, given these tend to concentrate on systems and conventions. Each part of this course is focused around a particular stage or role within a game of bridge. And whilst the primary audience is new players, experienced players may benefit from a refresher as rules have recently changed. We start with your arrival at the table and what's involved before the play of a board. This includes table manners, responsibilities of each pair, how to announce your system and any pre-alerts, and the requirement for full disclosure. Being a friendly and courteous game, once East-West are seated, both pairs should say hello and introduce themselves. Confirming the players' names and board numbers against the bridge mate avoids playing the wrong people or boards, especially in howl movements. Following these brief pleasantries, it is best to commence play, as either partnership may need all of the allotted time to complete the boards in the round. Penalties may be given if you use more than the allotted time. All mobile phones must be set to silent. Speak with the director if there's some reason you need your phone on. Both pairs have specific responsibilities at the table. North-South are responsible for the handling of boards during and between rounds. Both pairs must wait until announcements are complete before touching their cards. And while North-South are responsible for recording the score in the bridge mate, East-West are responsible for confirming it is correct. It is a basic tenet of bridge that there are no secrets between a partnership. Now is the time you should state the system you play and explain any bids that have an unobvious or unusual meaning and which cannot be alerted during play. You should also explain any unusual signals communicated by the order in which you play your cards. If you are not familiar with your opponent's system, you may ask them, what's the best defense to this system? Pre-alerts are required for instances where you cannot alert the bid. These statements before play should tell your opponents as much about your agreement as possible and then be followed up during play with the correct alerting. You can find a detailed explanation of what and how to alert on the ABF website. We are ready to start play. Each player removes their cards from the slot in front of them. Firstly, count your cards, as very occasionally there might be 12 or 14. You may be penalised if you commence play with an incorrect number of cards. When sorting your cards into suits, do not pick cards up one at a time. Both your partner and the opposition can watch what you are doing and gather information about the shape of your hand. It also wastes time that you may need for playing the hand. Do not rearrange your cards during play. This tells the table that you are out of that suit. Only your partner is unable to use this information. Your opponents may take full advantage of this. Once you have counted and arranged your cards how you want them, add up the total number of each suit and double check it equals 13. This concludes part 1 of the Bridge Fundamentals series. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we hope it enhances your bridge experience. Next we discuss alerts, what, when and how. Feedback is welcome and can be emailed to office@waverleybridgeclub.com.au.